What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Wow, it's amazing watching the attendees come on this call. We are well over 130 people, and it's still climbing like crazy. So congratulations for all of you who showed up. My name is Matt Ward. I'm the president of Avoria Prime, and I'm honored today to be able to launch an amazing product called Kraitos. This has been some time in the making, and wow, I cannot wait for this call. I cannot wait for you guys to discover the power of this technology and this EA. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm calling live from Tenerife, Spain. And I tell you, what an amazing event we're having out here, having a leadership retreat. In fact, I have Icon 50, Mr. Derek Alexander, on the call. Derek, I'd love for you to come on real quick, share some excitement, maybe some of the team's excitement about this amazing software that we're about to launch and go into. Are you there?
There you see me?
Yes.
Okay, what is up, everybody? I'm turning this down because I got a speaker going on over here. We're Bluetoothing on a couple calls. But guys, we are so excited for this call. I'll tell you what, we are over here in Tenerife. It's beautiful. And we have so many leaders that are excited for this product. If you're on this call right now, I know a lot of people are excited. Really quick, who's excited? Let's go. Guys, this product is unlike any product I've seen in the trading space. We are so thrilled for it to be launched. I know Matt, Dominic, everyone, Tyler, you guys are going to do a great job presenting, but we are in beautiful Tenerife, Spain. And even though we're here, we are all plugging into this call right now because we are thrilled to get this product rocking. So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to turn my video off, and we're going to be here ready to go because everyone's ready to launch this thing. Back to you, Matt.
Awesome. Thanks, Derek. Appreciate the excitement. And we've had an amazing time here. We just started our leadership retreat today, and we did four-wheelers up to a volcano. Unbelievable. So excited for all the future leaders to be able to go on our future retreats because they're absolutely life-changing. But we're here today to launch an amazing EA, Kraitos, and I got to tell you guys, you know, I am so excited about this product. A couple reasons. Number one, it's really, really safe. It's a really safe product. Number two, it performs, and it performs beautifully, and it's so accurate. I cannot wait for all of you to try this out and be able to see how it works. And we're going to be going through today about why it's so good and why it's so accurate and some of the settings that makes it so safe. And we're really going to go and dive into all of that. So really, really, really excited for you guys to be able to jump in here. I'm going to share my screen real quick. Going to go over a couple of things with you guys. Let me see if I can get to the next slide. Where are we at? There we are. All right, so I'm going to do a quick little risk disclaimer, just talking about, you know, there's substantial risk and loss associated with trading Forex, binary options, and stocks. Risk capital should be used for trading. Trading binary options is not appropriate for performance and not necessarily indicative of future results. What that means is past results are not indicative of future results. Trading Forex, binary options, stocks, equities, investors should consult with a financial advisor or broker to determine whether trading Forex stock equities is appropriate for you. Investors who trade Forex binary option stocks or equities should only do so if your capital use purpose represents funds that investors can afford to lose without adversely impacting investors' trading lifestyle. No trading strategies or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategies is free, and execute transition, including associated commissions and fees. You should carefully consider whether trading Forex binary option stocks and equities is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in Avoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation, recommendation to buy or sell Forex binary options or stock equities, okay? So I want to get that out of the way. Basically, just trade responsibly and know that past results are not indicative of future results, but we are going to show you guys some results. That's why I want to do a risk disclaimer for you guys and kind of just show you guys, kind of get you really excited here to start off the call with some of the results that we've had. So I'm going to show you this one first. This account right here started in May, okay? And this account has done 85%. Now I want to show you something. This is what's pretty impressive, okay? Kraitos did 85% on this account, but check this out. Drawdown 6.46%. What does that mean? That means they risked 6.46% of their money to make 85%, which is just absolutely huge. You can see right here, it started in May. did 2.89%, 3.8%, 8%, 6.2%. September did 10.98%. October 11.9%, right? And so there's going to be months where Kraitos will see entries or better entries, and it'll have better performance. In some months, it might not see the right entries, and it's not going to take the trade. And I love that, right? There's some days on Fridays it doesn't take a trade because it doesn't see the setup to take it. And it's absolutely such an intelligent software. And I'm so excited for you guys to be able to check this out. I'm going to show you my personal MYFXBOOK. It's right here. This is live right here. So I started testing this in November, and I set my account in November. It's done 14.72% since November. I've risked 5.76% of my capital. And as you can see, it's just been going up, 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 up. So it's been absolutely performing beautifully. I love, 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 love this product, and you guys are too. So really, I want to do real quick before I bring Tyler McKechnie on, our research and development advisor. I just kind of want to tell you a little bit of the backstory of how all this happened, because I think it's really important that you understand the history and really how Avoria Prime came to launch Kraitos. So myself and Bill and Tyler, we, and Kareem, we got introduced to these individuals that literally had a software that was supposed to be like unbelievable. We've heard this before. We've tried out hundreds of softwares. Some of them are awesome. Some of them are terrible. Some of them are okay, and so we met these guys, and all of them are multimillionaires. They own restaurants. They own investment properties all over the country, and they do quite well. But they were actually introduced to an EA years ago, and it kept failing them. It would win and it would lose. It would win and lose. And they're like, you know what? I love the idea, but we're going to go create our own. So what they do? Well, they used their finances. They went and found the best traders money could buy that started understanding their strategies, and people that had high winning rates. They hired some of the best developers. They hired an engineer from NASA, a legit engineer from NASA that helped put this together as well. And they put a lot of money in this. And the reason that they put a lot of money in this is because they were literally just going to use it for themselves and their friends and family. That was good. That was just basically going to be it. And of course, their friends and family started talking about their friends and family. And then they ended up setting up a PAM for friends and family and their friends and family. And lo and behold, in the last several years, it's traded over $50 million safely, safely. And people are winning with that. So we got introduced to these guys. And, this is a huge compliment, I think, to Avoria Prime, is people have gotten in contact with them wanting to use their product for their company. And they told us, they said, we've never really wanted to attach ourselves to any company because once we look at them, they're so uncompliant that we don't want to really attach our name to that. And what we love so much about Avoria Prime is how compliant you guys are. They've looked us over. They've understand that we do go through our CFTC attorneys for everything, that we cross our T's, dot our I's, and they saw how we have different strategies for America compared to the international with our MAV versions, because we want to be compliant. And they saw how compliant we were, and they wanted to lock arms with us. That is a huge, huge compliment. And all of you, and the reason I'm telling you that story is because I want you guys to know that we really work hard to make this company compliant, and that we work hard to keep you safe. We don't ever want anything, a rug pull from under you because we're being careless or anything like that. We do everything to be safe. And so we locked arms with these guys, and we, obviously it wasn't called Kraitos. That is our name that we created for it. It wasn't called anything. And so, here we are, and we've been working with them for, a few months now, just tweaking and making it right, and saw things, maybe settings we didn't want and settings we liked, didn't like, came up with the right pairs that weren't aggressive, and we've been running it, and it's running beautifully. Everyone is absolutely loving it. We have a beta test group that absolutely loves it. And so here we are, right? We have the product in hand, and it's absolutely amazing. But someone who's been with us, with the developers and the programming and understanding the software and how it works is Tyler McKechnie, our product development researcher and basically advisor. And so I want him to come on here real quick and just kind of share with you guys what he's excited about, what he's seen with the developers, because, Tyler's worked with many developers, and he's told me many times, wow, I'm really impressed with these guys. These guys really know what they're doing. So Tyler, I'm going to turn it over to you, brother. Take it away.
Thank you, Matt. Awesome to be here, everybody. I got to tell you firsthand, when I saw Kraitos, I saw that these guys really knew what they were doing, that they had a very similar style to how I like to trade. And I was very excited about that firsthand because they understood reversals. They understood finding the best entries and really where historically, based on 20 years of back tests, every single pair is typically going to have its reversal. And, this was very similar to strategies I had used in my own trading and programming. So that first got me very excited. And I saw that they had implemented all the right features, from currency shields to, really, it's just, they had a high accuracy rate on their first entry. They didn't need a bunch of cost averages like many softwares. It wasn't a traditional mathematical grid-based software. And this is one of my favorite features. So many of you are familiar with grid-based softwares, probably if you've used an EA in the past that had some form of cost averaging. What I really loved about Kraitos is that it was not a mathematical cost average, meaning that if the trend went against you, it wasn't just going to keep stacking trades. It was going to wait for a reversal to be confirmed before it would ever take a recovery trade. And this is one of the coolest features because let's just say, for example, you entered a buy and the market just dropped 500 pips. Well, a traditional software that was using mathematical cost averaging would have just stacked a bunch of trades. And in their software, that wouldn't happen. If there's just a quick drop, it's going to wait. And it's going to just wait until it knows there's a reversal confirmation before it takes that next trade. And that was one of the coolest features to me because it meant that you weren't going to stack a bunch of trades against the trend. You were going to wait for a reversal to be able to get out of that trade, recover, and that would keep your drawdown very low. And that was one of the most impressive things is that this product keeps the drawdown low and still brings the return. So I've been using Kraitos now live for about 90 days on my own accounts. And I've just been massively impressed to the fact that I even now have a $500,000 account that's been running on it. And I'm running extremely conservative settings. And this thing just in the last, 20 days, I actually started it literally 20 days ago. And right now it's up about 3% in 20 days. And that's with very conservative settings, not, your normal settings. You might be running on $1,000 account or $5,000 account, but to see it do that on $500,000 and keep the drawdown, I haven't even seen the drawdown on that account above $3,000 on a $500,000 account in the last 20 days. Now, again, past performance not guarantee future results, but this product has just been highly impressive for me. And I'm very excited for every single person in this community to be able to get access to it because it takes trades every day. And that's one of the more exciting things too, is that your customers or you as a customer, you're going to be able to see action on your account every single week. Whereas, we've had some products in our marketplace that sometimes don't take a trade for a week. And this is one of those products that it's just highly active. It's highly accurate. It takes very precise trades. And it's just a overall phenomenal software that I think is a great addition to the Warrior Prime marketplace and something that I believe is going to become one of our top selling products here. And, through time, we've had a few products that have rose and fallen as top selling products as we've released new products. This is one of those ones that I truly believe is going to stay as a top selling product. Why? Because it's consistent. The developers know what they're doing. They've done back tests for 20 plus years. They're not showing you a 3-month back test or, this short little FX book. They have results. They have an entire team behind them. And, like Matt said, these guys, they don't want to be the face. They want Avoria Prime to be the face and be their, liaison and selling this thing and sharing it with the world because they want to stay in the background. They want to focus on what's important, which is making the product better every single day, optimizing it, studying the data and improving. And they want us to go and lead that forefront and being able to sell this product for them. So every single one of you is getting an extremely exclusive opportunity to use this product because this isn't something you're going to find out there. Like Matt said, we've used hundreds of EAs. I've probably tested at least 200 EAs now in the last few years. And, again, this is just one of those ones I'm massively impressed with and I believe is going to become a huge hit in our community. So again, if you're on this call, know you're here for a reason. You definitely are going to want to try Kraitos. I'm massively impressed. And how this product even came to us is through our great friend on here, Mr. Dominic Plevnik. He came to us and he said, hey, I have these guys and you got to see this. And we said, all right, Dominic, let's take a look at what it is. And once we saw it again, we were all extremely impressed, even to the point, Bill's been running a live account, Matt's running a live account. All of us have live accounts set up already. Derek's been running a live account. Even in our beta test stage, normally everybody runs a demo, but we were so impressed everybody's running live capital and not small accounts either, which, is not normal. So if that tells you the level of excitement and the level of belief every single one of us on the corporate team has, I believe that it should give you that same belief. But I want to go ahead and have Dominic come on here and talk about this product a little bit more. Dominic is going to become the face of the product when it comes to education. You'll be seeing him do the live developer calls every single week and be handling all the communications and chats. So I want Dominic to be able to come in here, give you guys some education, talk a little bit about the product, why he's so excited as well about this thing. And Dominic, man, take it away.
Okay, my camera is on. Perfect. So yeah, it was like 3 months ago. Then my friend called me up and he's like, "Yo, I would like to talk to you about something." I'm like, "Yeah, what do you want to talk to me about?" And he's like, "So, would you be willing to partner with us and give the software to AP?" I'm like, "Are you serious, or are you like just joking with me?" Because I was trying to get these guys like on AP for the last 2 years, guys. So just that you know, I was following them for the last 2.5 years. How they're trading like this product, it's amazing. I never saw a better product, like personally, but a better product in the sense that you don't have to worry about your account like being in danger. Okay, so this is what I'm the most impressed about. I saw like hundreds of MYFXBOOKs, live accounts and everything. And what I'm gonna share with you right now, it's one thing, and I want you to follow this thing. Once you start using Kraitos, please follow the default settings that we will give it to you, because these settings prove themselves in all market conditions. As Tyler said, backtest done for the last 22 years on all Forex pairs. So we know what we are giving you. So don't be now a smarter guy than the developers. Start like tweaking, changing things, because what we have works. And before you start tweaking, run the default settings and you guys are gonna be impressed. Right now, I will share my screen with you, and what I want to show you is, as Tyler said, how accurate this product is. Okay, so you can see here my live account. I didn't verify it yet, but it's my live account, so you can see I deposit $3,110 on this account, and as you can see, it grew now for 7%. And the drawdown was 3.44%. You have to know, I'm always the guy that's gonna go like a little bit more aggressive than it's usual, because I want to see what the product can handle. And as you can see, balance is growing perfectly. Profit, it's doing every single day. Drawdown, it's the biggest one was 2.52%. And yes, I did like $170 this month. I'm super happy with 5.39%. What is the most impressive thing is that it takes, like as Tyler said, trades every single day. So once you start using the product, it's not going to be, oh, does it work? It doesn't work. It works because you will see trades and you will be impressed from the first day on. So you can see 70 trades. It won 73% of trades. Why it has a little bit lower win percentage? Because I have a settings turned on that when it goes into a plus on a trade, it puts another trade in. I will show you everything on the training calls. I will explain everything to you so you know exactly how it's working and everything. We're also putting together a PDF document where every single setting is going to be explained. It's going to say on the settings how to use it, what it does, if you change this, if you change that. So you're going to have like the best tools that you can have, also the best results. As you can see here, history, you can see there is not a lot of red trades, and all these red trades that they are is actually, you can see here, GBP CAT, it's because it was a stacked trade, and the first trade went out 0.14, so we did 0.7%. So this is my account running already for a month now. It's gonna be running. I'm not gonna be changing any settings on this account, and this is like also the beauty of Kraitos. Once it's set up, you don't have to change a lot, only check it if your VPS it's working. Then the next thing what I want to show you, it's my demo account where I'm playing around also with the settings. And because Kraitos have like so much settings, once you understand how they're working, you can make it also like your own EA2 if you want to. And I was like that, okay, Kraitos has a really big win percentage. So what if I would do that? I would just go for 5 pips per trade, okay, just make it a scalper. And you're gonna see right now one thing that I'm gonna show you. It did since January 19, it did 2.15%. What it's amazing, this is like only a week, so 2.5% a week. Amazing result. But what is the most impressive thing about it? Like, look at this, guys. It took 42 trades, and it lost only one trade, okay? Lost 1 out of 42 trades. What it represents? Only 2%. So the win ratio, it's 98%, guys. This is amazing. And you can also see here, Tyler always talks about the profit factor, and you can see the profit factor, like how much it risks, is 16.66. It's just amazing how accurate it is. And like, look, you can just see here, it's all green. Okay, it's all green like all the time. Okay, here's a red trade because it was a trade that we lost, but that's it. And also, I have an account here that is a little bit bigger account. This is Derek's account. Okay, AP Kraitos. All of you gonna get also access to this MYFXBOOK because we want to show people that we trust the product, that we believe in the product. So Derek was like, when he saw the results, he's like, Dominic, put me on this. I gotta put a lot of money on. I'm like, okay, let's do it, but be careful at first because like I didn't know like how exactly everything's gonna be working. But just look at these numbers, guys. It's like it did 6.92%, 6.92%.
I have to let you know. I have to let everyone know these results. I had a couple MMT trades on here, and I lost like 1 or 2% from MMT. So then I said only Kraitos. So this is actually less return because Kraitos had made more money, and then I lost a couple percent from MMT, and now it's only Kraitos again. So I have to just keep up because these results are actually even better. So anyway, I'll let you continue. But yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, and you can see here 6.92%. But like, what is the most impressive thing, guys? Just like, guys, look at this drawdown. 1.69% only of drawdown. And you guys have to know, me and Derek, we set it up. We put the settings that the developers told us, yo, these are the best settings for this type of account. We set it up and we didn't touch it since then. And you can see it's doing all by itself. Right now, we're in AUD CAD trade. It's in a little bit of a minus 0.12%, but it's amazing and it's impressive. Now, the next thing, what I want to show you, it's how easy it is to set up Kraitos, okay? A lot of EAs take a lot of time to set up, okay? You have to open this chart, that chart, another chart, but you're gonna see right now, okay? I will close, this is my live account. I will close down Kraitos, okay? We're gonna close down the chart, just like that. So we go from the start, and we're gonna open up a new chart, market watch. You can choose whichever pair you want, it doesn't matter. We open up a new chart, okay? It's open. We go here. Oh, we already have the final version of Kraitos that all of you gonna get. It's version 1.common. Okay, you see version 1. So this is the one that you're getting. Everything it's predetermined, like how you should be running Kraitos. The only thing, what I like to do, I put here my equity protector. I put it to 25%. And this is like what I'm willing to risk. Then another really important thing, it's max allowed lot size. I will teach you how to set up that. Also, it's going to be in the videos in the AP Academy. We do this, okay, and now what we do, we just press OK. We wait a little bit. Kraitos, it's on. Status, please wait. And now it's just going to start analyzing the market. And guys, this is the whole setup of Kraitos. It's less than a minute long. Everybody can do it. We're gonna do really good videos so you have like all the explanation. But I would like to talk a little bit about the settings so you know what settings are like really important. First of all, you have the position size, how much you want to risk. So it's like we did it 0.01 per thousand to be the most aggressive because the mentality behind Kraitos of the developers, it's like that, okay? We are not here to hit home runs, but we are here to trade for a long time. And what we want to do is go from 5 to 7% a month, but this is doing consistently that profit. The next thing, what it's really important, it's called bulwark. This is like actually a currency shield. What means a currency shield? If you're already in a Euro USD trade, it's not going to open up, let's say Euro CAD, okay? It's not going to open any other pair that has the Euro inside. So that means that we're going to be always in the safe side. Then we have trailing stop loss. Okay, we also have add positions after a certain amount of pips. We have how much pips we want to go for. It's the best one was like 10 pips. You can do 5 pips. You can do 15 pips. You can do a scalper out of Kraitos. You can do a swing trader out of Kraitos. But at first, as I show you, just use the default settings. We're gonna have the developer calls every single Saturday. So what I want from all of you guys is that you attend these developer calls, that you come prepared with questions, because the easiest way is that we do everything live. Don't just watch the replays, because you're not gonna get everything in the replay. You cannot ask me questions. I will also prepare Google Forms where you can type me in questions. I'm gonna get them and I can also answer them on the calls. So the next thing, also what I would like to ask you, I think that this product, it's really gonna be a game changer for customers, for people that are building the business, because it's simple and it's just nice to see how much blue it is. And I love blue colors in my MT4, but now it's MT5 because Kraitos is only working on MT5. So guys, I hope that you're excited as we all are. And this is all from me, and I'm gonna see you on the developer calls really soon.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you for that, Dominic. So for everybody, here's a few points and key things that you need to know going into this. Number one, Kraitos is live. You can go ahead and you can switch to it. You can go ahead and buy it and upgrade. Now, here's the things you need to understand. If you are on the MAV version, you're going to get access to it before the weekend. If you are on the regular version, again, it is live now. Now, if you are a current customer, all right, you're going to need to get a new VPS. Now, this is a very important point and why I'm going to tell this to you. This product runs on MetaTrader 5. I know that all of our current EAs and past products have ran on MetaTrader 4. So if your broker does not support MetaTrader 5, you're going to go ahead and need to get an account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5. That's number one. This product works on MetaTrader 5. Now, the reason you're going to need to get a brand new VPS is because you're going to get a VPS that also has MT5 installed on it so that you can use Kraitos. So you'll have your MT4 instances of whatever products you're currently using, as well you'll get MT5 instances to support Kraitos. Now, if you are a current customer and you are switching, all right, so if you are currently using any of our other products and let's say you want to switch from one of those to Kraitos, your VPS is going to go ahead and it's going to get reinstalled. All right, and this is going to happen on Saturday. If you are somebody who upgrades, so let's say you were on a bronze pass and you upgrade to a silver, or you were on silver and you upgrade to a gold so that you can get Kraitos, your VPS is going to be installed right away, which means you're instantly going to get Kraitos. Again, if you are an MAV user though, meaning you're from the US, you will have it before the end of the weekend. Right now, the international version is live. The MAV, we're just in one final bit of testing here to get it launched to everybody, but that'll be before the end of the weekend. So anybody, whether you're US or international, by Sunday, you will have a VPS, you'll have Kraitos on it, and you will be ready to go and be able to get everything set up. So again, you can go ahead and you can switch right now. Kraitos is live for sale, whether you want to switch to Kraitos, you want to upgrade to Kraitos, whatever it is live right now. You can go ahead in your Warrior Prime back office and make the upgrade. And if you are needing to find an MT5 broker, go ahead and get your group chats, reach out to sponsors, reach out to your team members. Again, we can't recommend or refer any brokers, but there are plenty of phenomenal brokers out there that support MetaTrader 5. So go ahead and get a broker account on a MetaTrader 5 broker. And we look forward to getting you Kraitos and having you set up before market open this weekend. But with that being said, we hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day and hope you are just as excited about Kraitos as we are. But with that being said, look forward to seeing you guys all in the next one.